everyone, how you doing? This is Tracy, Passionately Intrigued Arts. I got a little package, happy mail, a little unboxing to do. I ordered from Period 6 Glitter. Isn't that pretty? You know I'm going to reuse that, right? And I started out small. I didn't order glitter, no. I have plenty of glitter. I wanted to try out her Flatback Rhinestones, and I ordered I think 4 colors. She has some really pretty colors, so I just wanted to try them out and see what they look like. They are the Resin, I believe, Resin Flatbacks, and I got 20 SS. Oh, I got her little card. Oh, that's a magnet. That's a magnet. I'll put that on my refrigerator. Positive energy, yes, a sticker. And this is what? This is my order with a thank you on there. Also, I got 5. Let's see what we got. Let's see if they're labeled. I'm sure they're labeled. What else? Oh, more paperwork. Okay. Oh, yes. Her postcard size thank you with all her information on there. I watched Educated Naturals podcast when this young lady here, Period 6, was the artesian of the week, of the month, of the day, of the week, of the month, I believe. So it has all her information. Of course that would happen, right? Let me just turn that down. Instagram at Period 6 Designs. YouTube, Period 6 Designs. And then it has her Gmail, Period 6 Designs at Gmail. And also her website, period6glitter.com. In case you need to screenshot that. She has a beautiful array of items to choose from. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So let's see what we got here. The first one, it looks like the purple. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Dirty Sprite. These are so pretty. They're iridescent and they're purple, and you can see green and blue, gold. Let's open them up. And I usually store mine in small containers and label the container. So let's see what we got here. Oh, those are pretty, pretty, pretty. If I can get them all out. You know, they'd be staticky. I don't want to lose any. Yep. Good to the last drop. So Dirty Sprite. Very pretty. What's next? Oh, there's 2 in here. So this one is Kale Yay. That's beautiful. Iridescent. Is that what you call it? AB. And it's a green with gold and purples. So pretty. Let me let you see what this one looks like. And I believe, like, this is 1,000 rhinestones. And they're very, very, very economical. I will not be getting my flatbacks from Amazon anymore. Look at that. Sorry, Amazon, I will not. For the price that you pay for these is half the price you pay at Amazon. I'm just going to say that. Oh, I dropped one. Let's put that in there. All right, the next one is, I believe it's a blue. Very pretty. AB. It's got that iridescent look. And it's called Sonic. Yes, you get 1,000 pieces for under $4. Let me just tell you that. I definitely just wanted to see the quality and see what they look like. I definitely will be ordering more because I do a lot of flatback rhinestone decor with many different things. Tumblers, glasses, frames, picture frames, just all types of things. Look at this. Look at this blue. Look at this blue. Oh God, that's gorgeous. Just beautiful. Gotta get the rest of those out. I want to show you. Look at that shine. Look at that. Okay, I got all those out. Next. Okay, so there's 2 in this one. Oh, cola. Now this is like a goldish brown. Oh, with hints of, wow, green. I see blue. Let's open it and see. I can get in there. Cut my nails off, so I don't have any nails right now. Come on, work with me. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. Now that's a skin tone as well. But this one is called Cola. Get them all out. Oh, there's one more. Get them? Yes. Look at that. Somebody come look at that. God, that's gorgeous. So pretty. Okay, the last color I ordered was, I think, a red, like a cherry, if I remember. Oh no, Galaxy. So I didn't order the cherry red yet. This is called Galaxy. Okay, there we go. Let's see, what container am I going to put these in? I gotta buy some more containers. This is the last of them. So that's the Galaxy. Put it up on the camera so you can see. Oh, a couple more in there. No, 2 more. Get out. Oh, 3 more. I'll have to get those out. But look. That is so pretty. What is this? It's like, it's on black. It looks like the iridescent, the AB, like gold, purple, rose gold. I don't know. They're beautiful. And there's a couple more trying to stick in here. You got a new home, buddies. So that's what I have. I am satisfied. I am happy. I think these are gorgeous, and I'm going to have to go back to her site and pick out the other colors. And she has quite a few to choose from. And like I said, under $4. And different sizes. Now, what does she do? She's got, I'm talking about different, I think there's a 2-ounce container you can get. Yes, a 2-ounce container, which is under $9. Very nice. Very nice. So thank you. Go check her out. Period 6 Designs. Thank you, Kim, for your review. I absolutely love her rhinestones. They are gorgeous, and I must get more. Have a beautiful day. Peace and love. Hit that thumbs up once again, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Check out some of my videos, see if you like the content, and we shall see you soon. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Just one more thing I want to show you that I do. Whenever I get beads, not beads, whenever I get rhinestones of any kind, I cut their little label off, whoever it may be. Cut it real small, put a dab of glue on the container, and that way I know who I got them from, what color it is, what size it is, and that website is on there. Put a little dab of glue, and usually I will reinforce it with a piece of tape so it don't just pop off. I don't like to use a lot of glue because I don't want it to seep outside of the tag, but this lets me know exactly what I have in each container. Okay, and then I'll just slap a little piece of tape on it just to reinforce it until it dries. That way, I always know what I got, what color, where it's from, and what size. And I cleaned that up. I took that little label off. Isn't that beautiful? I will be reusing that. So, yeah, positive energy only. Positive vibes. Okay, I'm out this time. Peace and love. Later, Gators. Be good.